The AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam is catching a lot of candidates off guard, not because the concepts are impossible, but because the questions test how well you truly understand AWS AI services, generative AI, responsible AI, machine learning use cases, and security best practices. In this video, you'll go through realistic AIF-C01 practice questions for beginners, cloud professionals, developers, business analysts, and anyone preparing for the exam in 2026. By the end of this session, you'll understand the reasoning behind the answers, not just memorize them. Pause the video before each answer and test yourself like you're in the real exam environment. Let's start with question 1. A company wants an AI system that can generate entirely new marketing images based on text prompts. Which type of AI model should the company use? A. Regression model. B. Classification model. C. Generative AI model. D. Clustering algorithm. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer: C. Generative AI model. Explanation: generative AI models are specifically designed to create new content such as images, text, audio, or code. Traditional machine learning models like regression or classification focus on prediction and categorization, not content creation. This is one of the most important foundational concepts for the AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam. Question 2. Which AWS service allows users to access foundation models from multiple AI providers through a fully managed API? A. Amazon EC2. B. Amazon Bedrock. C. AWS Lambda. D. Amazon S3. Take 5 seconds to pause and select the correct answer. Correct answer: B. Amazon Bedrock. Explanation: Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed AWS service that provides access to foundation models from providers like Anthropic, AI-21 Labs, Stability AI, and Amazon Titan. You can build generative AI applications without managing infrastructure or training models from scratch. Expect multiple questions around Amazon Bedrock in the real AIF-C01 exam. And if you want more realistic AWS Certified AI Practitioner practice questions with detailed explanations, check out certprep.io. It's a great resource for structured exam preparation and time practice tests. Question 3. Which concept focuses on ensuring AI systems operate fairly, transparently, and without harmful bias? A. Autoscaling. B. Responsible AI. C. Data warehousing. D. Elasticity. Pause for 5 seconds, then choose the correct answer. Correct answer: B. Responsible AI. Explanation: responsible AI is a major topic in modern AI certifications. AWS emphasizes principles like fairness, explainability, privacy, security, and governance when deploying AI systems. If you see keywords like bias reduction, transparency, or ethical AI, responsible AI is usually the correct direction. Question 4. A retail company wants to predict future product demand based on historical sales data. Which machine learning approach is most appropriate? A. Reinforcement learning. B. Forecasting. C. Image recognition. D. Clustering. You have 5 seconds. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer: B. Forecasting. Explanation: forecasting models analyze historical patterns to predict future outcomes. Common AWS AI exam scenarios include sales forecasting, demand prediction, financial trend analysis, and capacity planning. Understanding business use cases is critical for passing the AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam. Question 5. A company wants to protect sensitive training data used in AI applications. Which AWS responsibility is most important? A. Ignoring encryption. B. Publicly sharing datasets. C. Implementing proper access controls. D. Disabling monitoring tools. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer: C. Implementing proper access controls. Explanation: security and governance are major exam themes. AWS customers are responsible for protecting their own data using services and best practices like IAM permissions, encryption, monitoring, and least privilege access. Never underestimate security questions on AWS certification exams. In this video, you covered key AWS Certified AI Practitioner practice questions focused on generative AI, Amazon Bedrock, responsible AI, forecasting, security, and foundation models. And this is only the beginning. Upcoming videos will explore additional exam topics, including prompt engineering, model evaluation, AI governance, and advanced AI services on AWS. To accelerate your preparation, visit certprep.io for more realistic practice tests and exam-style questions. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next AWS certification video.